Hello friends, I am Aman and you are watching your favorite channel Aman Teen Excellence. In this video, we are going to learn about light. I have some topics that I will clear in this video and I want to remind you that this is part 2. And if you haven't watched part 1, I have dropped the link in description box. Must watch that. So let's start our this video. So first topic is types of images. There are mainly two types of images. First is real image and second is virtual image. So what is real image? Real image is the image that can be obtained on a screen and its light rays meet each other actually. Okay, so what is virtual image? Virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen and light rays do not meet each other. We produce it backwards so it meets and forms image. Real and virtual image have one major difference, that real image is always formed inverted to the object, and if a virtual image is formed then it will be always erect. Okay, so second topic is spherical mirrors. What is a spherical mirror? Spherical mirrors are the reflecting surface which come from sphere. Okay, so यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि हमने एक sphere लिया है, ठीक है. So reflecting surface is N, so it's called concave. Okay, and if reflecting surface is outer surface, so it's called convex. Very simple. Okay, so what is concave? If the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is inside and silvered surface is outside. Outside is silvered and inside is reflecting. So it's concave mirror. And if it's vice versa, means उल्टा होता है बिल्कुल, silvered surface अंदर, reflecting surface बाहर, तो उसको कह देते हैं हम लोग convex mirror. As you can see, this is concave mirror and this is convex mirror. Okay, so next topic is terms related to spherical mirrors. There are some terms which are related to spherical mirrors. First is center of curvature. What is center of curvature? Center of curvature is the center of sphere from which the spherical mirror is derived. So if we take a concave mirror from this sphere, okay, so center of curvature will be the center of sphere. Then radius of curvature means radius between, means distance between the center and the mirror, mid of the mirror. Okay, then third is pole. What is pole? As the center of the sphere was center of curvature, so the center of mirror is known as pole. Then is principal axis. What is principal axis? Principal axis is an imaginary line that connects center of curvature to pole. Then there is one more, that is called focus. What is focus? As you can see from the word focus, that means it मतलब एकाग्र है वो. If any infinite, we are talking about the concave mirror. From the concave mirror, what is focus? From infinite, any parallel beam of light comes. Okay, then it goes from only one point and crosses in the principal axis. I will make another diagram to tell you clearly. This is our concave mirror. Okay, this is principal axis, this is pole, and let it be center of curvature, and the line is principal axis. This much is clear. Okay, so now what is focus? If any parallel beam of light To which parallel? It's parallel to the principal axis. Any parallel beam of light to the principal axis crosses the principal axis at one point. Meet, we can say cross or meet at one point, which is called focus. Okay, and it's generally the half of center of curvature. Let's say if center of curvature is 6 centimeter, then focus will be of 3 centimeter. It's not clearly in diagram, so you can see in this diagram that it's center of curvature and then it's focus, and as you can see that it's half. Okay, so this was my video, and please wait for part 3. So we will solve some more doubts and points we will clear. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my video.